Good morning class. Today I am going to explain the second topic, indicator showing different colors in acidic or basic medium. The first indicator we are using is litmus solution. This is a natural indicator and it shows different types of colors in different medium. If the solution is neutral, color is purple. If the solution is acidic, color shown by the litmus is red. If it is basic, the color appeared will be blue. So how can we check the acidic and basic nature? The acidic and basic nature can be tested by using the two different types of litmus. Two different types of litmus paper named as blue litmus paper or blue litmus solution, or red litmus paper or red litmus solution. The blue litmus and the red litmus solutions can be prepared by acidifying the purple litmus extract, whereas the blue litmus can be obtained by making the पर्पल लिटमस एक्सट्रैक्ट एज एल्केलाइन. उसको हम यहाँ पर एल्केलाइन फॉर्म में चेंज कर देंगे, ट्रीट करेंगे उसको लकड़ी के साथ. अगर मैं चाहिए रेड लिटमस पेपर, तो जो न्यूट्रल पेपर था पर्पल, उसको हम एसिडिफाई करेंगे किसी रेस्पेक्टिव एसिड के साथ, तो जो कलर आएगा हमारे पास वो रेड एंड ब्लू ऑब्जर्व होगा. ठीक है. सपोज वी हैव गिवन 3 different test tube containing 3 different types of solution. These are 3 test tube A, B and C. One of them contains or consists of acidic solution, basic solution or neutral solution. How can we identify whether the given solution is acidic, basic or neutral? And we can have only, suppose, a red litmus paper. Suppose we are provided only with litmus paper. By using this single paper, how can we check the different solution in test tube? So we can use litmus paper or we can use litmus solution. If we have given a litmus solution, then we will put few drops of this red litmus in test tube A. Suppose in this test tube A, the color remains same, colorless. Now put other few drops in second test tube. Suppose in this case color changes to blue. It means this indicate that test tube B consists of basic solution. It means इसके अंदर क्या present है? Basic solution. Now put few drops of this red litmus in test tube C. In this case the color remains same. यहाँ पर भी कलर कैसा है? सेम. देर इज़ नो चेंज इन द कलर. इट मीन्स टेस्ट ट्यूब सी और टेस्ट ट्यूब ए, इन दोनों में से किसी एक टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर सॉल्यूशन कैसा है? एसिडिक है. उसको चेक करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? जो ब्लू सॉल्यूशन आया था उस ब्लू सॉल्यूशन की ड्रॉप ऐड करेंगे 1 by 1. जो हमारे पास ब्लू सॉल्यूशन आया है, इस ब्लू सॉल्यूशन की कुछ ड्रॉप्स हम टेस्ट ट्यूब ए में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे और कुछ ड्रॉप्स टेस्ट ट्यूब सी में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे. फिर हम कलर चेंज को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. अगर किसी भी एक टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर कलर कैसा आ जाता है? रेड. इट मीन्स उस रेस्पेक्टिव टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर जो सॉल्यूशन प्रेजेंट है वो कैसा आ जाएगा? एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन. इन दिस वे वी कैन चेक द सेम सॉल्यूशन बाय यूजिंग blue litmus solution or by using blue litmus paper. We obtain the same results, only the changes in the color will be different. Now in the nutshell we can explain or we can state that an acid turns blue litmus to red, whereas a base or an alkali turns red litmus into blue. Simple term है यहाँ पर A, B and R. It means acid changes blue paper into red or blue litmus into red. Second point is B. B means base turns red paper into blue. BRB stands for base. Red litmus changes into blue. In case of acid, blue paper changes to red, or simply blue litmus solution changes to red. Here a list of some substances which are acidic in nature, which changes the solution of litmus to red. Vinegar, lemon juice, orange juice, juice of unripe mangoes, tamarind or imli All these substances are acidic in nature, therefore they turns blue paper into red. Whereas बेकिंग सोडा सॉल्यूशन, वॉशिंग सोडा सॉल्यूशन, बिटर गोर्ड, लौकी जिसको हम घिया बोलते हैं, क्यूकम्बर, खीरा और द नीम एक्सट्रैक्ट, all these are basic substances which turns red litmus paper into blue. Next is a turmeric. Turmeric will also act as an indicator. It will help in identifying the acidic or basic type of substances. Suppose during eating food, some spots or some drops of curry or the vegetables which we are using falls on the white clothes. ठीक है, अगर हम खाना खाते हैं तो खाना खाते बाय चांस कोई क्लॉथ है वाइट, उसके ऊपर कुछ स्पॉट लग गया है सब्जी का, तो वहाँ पर कलर कैसा आ जाता है, येलो. इट मीन्स जो टर्मरिक है वो एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन के अंदर और न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशन के अंदर, दोनों केसेस के अंदर कलर कैसा शो करेगा, न्यूट्रल. सो इफ़ वी अप्लाई सोप ऑन दिस yellow spot obtained on the fabric of the cloth, then we observe that this yellow spot will changes into reddish brown color. This will changes into reddish brown. It means अगर नेचर कैसा होगा, बेसिक, तो कलर कैसा आ जाएगा टर्मरिक के केस में, रेडिश ब्राउन. इफ़ इट इज़ एसिडिक और इफ़ इट इज़ न्यूट्रल then the color will be yellow. So by applying soap, by scrubbing the spot with scrubber and by washing it with lot of water, this reddish brown appearance will slowly disappear. Hence on washing with excess of water, the yellow again becomes white and the soap is washed away. Next is there are some other natural indicators obtained from plants. These are of two types. First is called as red cabbage extract. First is named as red cabbage extract. This extract is obtained from the leaves of red cabbage. Second is the flower of hydrangea plant. Flower of hydrangea plant, जो इस प्लांट की पेटल्स होती हैं ब्लू कलर में होती हैं. क्लियर. तो जो रेड कैबेज एक्सट्रैक्ट है, इट विल आल्सो शोज डिफरेंट कलर्स इन एसिडिक, बेसिक और न्यूट्रल मीडियम. In case of neutral medium, the red cabbage extract seems to be red in color. As the name indicate, it is red in color in case of acidic as well as neutral solution. In case of basic solution, the color changes to green. This red cabbage leaves extract can be obtained by plucking the leaves of this red cabbage. By making them or by crushing them, we can take out their extract or the liquid. Flower of hydrangea plant are blue in color in acidic solution, also blue in color in neutral solution, and the color will changes to pink in case of basic solution. और जो थर्ड पॉइंट हमने यहाँ पर किया है that is litmus. Litmus is red in acidic, blue in basic and is purple in case of neutral solution. फिर हमने यहाँ पर किया है turmeric. Turmeric is yellow in acidic, yellow in neutral, whereas reddish brown in basic medium. In this way we can study about or we can explain the acidic and basic nature of solutions or substances by using natural indicators. Next is synthetic indicators. In this category we will discuss only two indicators named as phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Second is methyl orange and the first one is phenolphthalein. Now we will discuss about their color in acidic, basic and neutral medium. This phenolphthalein solution is colorless in acidic and in neutral medium. In case of basic medium, color will changes to pink. Whereas methyl orange, as a name indicate, it is orange in color in the neutral solution, whereas red in acidic medium and yellow in basic medium. These are the different colors obtained by using synthetic indicators such as methyl orange and phenolphthalein. By using these tests, we can easily identify or we can easily indicate the acidic or basic nature of any kind of substances. by putting the 2 or 3 drops of indicator in the test tube which we have taken.